Hello and welcome to my review of the new Codrone Mini by Robolink. This thing right here. Let's unpack this thing and get started. I'll show you how it works. Codrone comes in this nifty little box. It's packet comes with a controller, manual, the drone itself, and these two little cables. One is to charge the battery, the other one is to hook it up to a computer so we can actually program the thing. It's pretty nifty actually, and here's the drone itself. Also comes with some spare blades, but I must say this thing is like super robust. It's great for beginners. It's surprisingly stable. I had good luck using this. I already installed the batteries in the controller. I just wanted to show you what it looks like and how it comes in the box. So it needs two AAA batteries that are not included, but that's not a big deal. Get those, install them, and let's see how it works. So the first thing you need to do is to install this little battery that comes with the drone. It's pretty simple. Really, you just slide it in here. Take this connector, and if your battery is charged, the drone will actually come to life. There we go. If the drone is not charged, simply take the cable, the charging cable, this guy right here, unplug the drone. Also, to turn off the drone, you just simply unplug it. It doesn't come with an on-off switch. Connect it to the charging thingy, plug it in. There's a little red LED inside. If you plug it in, the red LED will light up. You just wait till the red LED turns off, which doesn't take that long. Maybe 10-20 minutes or so at the most. And then once the LED is off, just unplug it, plug it into the drone, and you're ready to go. Super simple. Alright, now let's see what this little drone can do with the remote control. So you hold down the power button, turn it on, make sure the light on the drone and on the controller are solid. That means they're connected. And we'll press the start button, hold it down, and then you hear the beep, and the thing takes off. There you go. So let's see, the left stick makes it go up. The controls they're really good. There's the trimming controls. Now it's moving forward a little bit, so I'm going to press the back and try to get it steady. It works amazingly well. It's drifting. Yeah, it's pretty good now. So then let's see if we can do a flip. Down this button over here. It keeps, and then it press the joystick direction that you want the drone to flip in. Oops. Whoop. That wasn't supposed to happen. Let's try it again. Another button. It's right back. Let's see which way they're facing. I think it may be facing the wrong way. Yep. So right is left now, so I'm facing me. Let me go up a little bit. Okay, now let's try this again. Hold down the button and then press it. I'll change the color of the LED. That's right. Left is right, right is left. There we go. Oops. Let's see. Okay, press the button. You hear the beep, and then there we go. Worked. It does the flip. And if you just click the button, you can change the color of the LED. It's kind of cool. So for the money, I think it's worth it. I think it works pretty well. Amazingly well, actually. Make it come towards us. It goes. There's really fine-grained controls. I'm pretty surprised how well this thing works. And if you hold down the button, it'll land. There it goes. Well done. Now I'm going to go over how to program this thing. You can actually program it in Python and run programs to make the drone do things that whatever you want it to do. It's pretty cool. Let me show you. So here's a little example program. It's super simple. You just install the Codrone Mini libraries, import them into Python, and then you say, you initialize the drone, pair it, tell it to take off, fly a spiral, and then land again. Let's see how it goes. I have like furniture here. So all you do is you hook up the controller via USB. Right here, just plug it into the computer, one end into the controller, the other one into the PC, and wait for, it shouldn't make like a sound that the USB device has been connected. I already have it turned on, ready to go. The drone is over here. Let me actually move it a little bit over here. Now we're able to let it fly through the chair, like right here. The goal is to get it through this opening here in the chair. To get that working yesterday. Let's see what happens today. Okay, so I'm going to start the program. I'll run this thing. And let's see what it does. So we can follow it. It should just automatically take off, fly a spiral, and land or crash. Where's it gonna go? Oh! Whoop, hit the chair. Right, but it worked pretty well. Let's see, let me try this again. Take the drone. And I like how simple and how robust this thing is. It's super cool. I have a feeling that the batteries might be getting a little low. And so that's why it's actually hitting the chair instead of flying through the thing. It was pretty reliable height when I tried it yesterday. I'll try it again later with a full battery. See what happens. Well, let's see. Ooh. Oh, nope. But it's pretty amazing. It's pretty robust, and it kind of figures out what it needs to do to land safely. So 2 thumbs up. This thing is super cool. You can also program this thing in this Blockly language because it's super easy to put your programs together. So let's see here. So for example, we can say when a key is pressed, let's say maybe the spacebar. When the spacebar is pressed, then you want to do the following things. You want to take off. Let's see. And maybe we want to hover or probably want to take off before we hover. There we go. Take off, hover for, oh, I don't know, maybe 3 seconds. And then we want to land. Okay, click, click, click. There we go. Oh, we need to pair the thing. Let's see. So press the pair button. Click on this guy. Connect. It gives us a little view here of the drone. It's kind of nice. Shows you the battery status, 48%. And we click on run code. Now it's waiting for the spacebar to be pressed. We press the spacebar and see what happens. Okay, that didn't work. So let me try it without the spacebar pressed. Let's see what happens. On the code. Ah, there we go. Doing something. So flies up, hovers for 3 seconds. Whoa. And decides to land, whoops, right on my laptop. Almost. Alright, cool. That worked. So I'm not sure how these I/O things work. Thought you would just take this and then press the space bar. Nothing happens. It's interesting. So just get rid of this guy and just do it without press space bar and run the code. Kind of fun. You can land all the way on the floor. Nice. Cool. Robolink also offers programming courses for not so much money. I signed up my kid for one. I forget the $180, I think, or $120, and then you can get the drone for only $50 instead of the regular $80 or so. Anyway, go to the Robolink website, check it out. Codrone Mini, 2 thumbs up. Wait, up. So I hope you enjoyed my review of the Mini Codrone. And if you like this channel, or if you like this video, like, subscribe, the buttons are below. Leave some comments if you'd like to, and I'll see you next time. Adios.